Warm greetings, everyone. My name is Karan Divakar, and I'm 28 years old. I hail from New Delhi, and I'm an IT engineer who graduated from Cluster Innovation Center, Delhi University. I've had a fairly short lived experience having worked with PricewaterhouseCoopers as a government advisory analyst. And after having given the CAT exam, I fortunately made it to the Indian Institute of Management at Sirmaur. And I'm really excited to share the experience that we are having as we embark upon this unknown but absolutely thrilling journey. So now I'm going to be talking a little bit about the online exams, which are case-based, and what is the whole experience all about. Essentially, MBA is all about learning from the already existent real-life based case studies. And this particular pedagogy is very vital and beneficial due to the following reasons. The case is of a real organization and what goes on into real-life scenarios when we put our understanding and perspective to the particular problem given at hand to bring a viable and realistic solution. Then basically the numbers that are generated from the case are actual and factual. This in turn would help us bridge the gap between the actual figures of the case and the figures that we infer from our knowledge pool. And amidst this whole experience, our inference drawing and decision-making skills are tested to its highest potential. As we progress deeper into the case studies, we learn of all the necessary steps that are required to reach an end-to-end execution of the given case or the problem, which are the actual steps to be followed in real-life scenarios. And ultimately, I would say that it's always better to learn from a real-life example than just read text and figures from the textbook problems, which can only assist us so much to find an industry-oriented professional solution. Now I'm going to be talking a little bit about guest lectures and the whole experience, the virtual learning experience. Essentially, the idea behind conducting guest lectures is to bridge the gap between a B school candidate and an industry professional in a multitude of ways. Firstly, guest lectures help build the candidate's connection and network to the right individual. Adding to that, guest lectures help the candidates understand of the real-time problems and the functions of the concerned industry that the professional has worked in. Guest lectures also help the candidate learn of the industry laterals and how the industry professional operates from within them. And at this point, this is the closest one can get to the professional, their organization, and the prerequisites required to run that profile that they are running most efficiently. And ultimately, guest lectures are a great means to interact extensively with the industry professional, as these sessions are tailor-made to suit the B school candidates' education, enlightenment, and actual understanding of the lateral that they are more inclined to work towards. So to conclude, I would like to wish all the MBA aspirants all the luck in the world. Give it everything you have, and I'm certain that you're going to make it to the dream IIM of your choice. And I hope to see you on campus soon. Thank you.